In this video, I'll show how to enable your laptop keyboard in Windows 10. First of all, right click on the star icon, then go to the device manager, and you can see this is my device manager. Inside of the keyboard driver, you have to see 2 or more driver in here, and one is the corrupted driver. It's also red alarm. You have to update this driver only. In my case, this name is NMS driver, and you have to enter name also. Just update this driver. Then let me pick up driver, and this is the compatible driver hardware here. And if you uncheck this, you can get more driver list from here, but I no need this one. I'm check the compatible driver and standard PS by 2 keyboard, then click next, and it will successfully install. And after you have to restart your PC. After restarting PC, I hope your keyboard is working fine. Thanks for watching.